you tired of dealing with the nagging pain under your right shoulder blade? Whether it's affecting your work, sleep, or daily activities, I'm here to help you to understand the causes and share effective ways to relieve that pain from the comfort of your home. In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know about right shoulder blade pain. Let's start by understanding the common causes of right shoulder blade pain. First up, muscle strain or overuse is a major culprit. If you've been lifting heavy objects or overworking your shoulder muscles, this could be the cause. Poor posture is another big one. Sitting hunched over your desk or computer can lead to pain. Sitting for long periods without proper breaks can also contribute. Sometimes the pain might be related to gallbladder issues, especially if it's accompanied by digestive problems. Lastly, referred pain from other areas like the neck or spine can also show up in your shoulder blade. Identifying the cause can help you choose the right treatment. Now let's dive into some home remedies and exercises that can help you relieve the pain. First, stretching exercises. Gentle shoulder blade stretches can make a huge difference. Try this. Extend your right arm across your body and hold it with your left arm. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds and repeat a few times. Another great stretch is a doorway stretch. Stand in a doorway, place your arm in the door frame and gently lean forward. Remember, regular stretching is key. Next, strengthening exercises. Strengthening the muscle around your shoulder blade can prevent future pain. A simple exercise is the scapular squeeze. Sit or stand straight, squeeze your shoulder blades together, hold it for 5 seconds and release. Repeat this 10 to 15 times. These exercises help build muscle support for your shoulder. Posture correction tips are crucial. Maintaining a good posture at work and home can alleviate a lot of the pain. Take frequent breaks to stand and stretch. For other remedies, alternating between ice and heat applications can reduce inflammation and soothe sore muscles. Apply ice for 15 to 20 minutes a few times a day during the first 48 hours, then switch to heat. Over-the-counter pain relief options like ibuprofen can also help manage the pain. It's important to know when to see a doctor. If your pain is severe or persistent, or if it's accompanied by other symptoms like chest pain or difficulty breathing, seek medical attention immediately. If you've tried some home remedies and there's no improvement, it's time to consult a professional. To prevent shoulder blade pain, incorporate these practical tips in your daily routine. Adjust your activities to avoid overuse of your shoulder muscles. Take regular breaks if you sit for long periods. Stretch, stand up, and move around. Staying hydrated and maintaining a healthy lifestyle also plays a huge role in preventing muscle pain. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.